Hi everybody, I'm Dawn Myford and I am so excited about an offer that I have coming out for you, the small business owner. Look, I get it. I've been a small business owner my whole professional career. I hear you in the emails and Facebook messages you're sending me that you want to have a resource so that you can elevate your platform, that you can give your voice volume on the internet. And we have done that very thing. We have a set of video tutorials coming out on WordPress. We're going to teach you WordPress from beginning to end, how you blog, attach photos, attach videos, backlink, hyperlink, how to do your own URL. This is going to really give you the tools to move yourself forward on the internet, to elevate your platform. This is what we have done for you, and I'm super excited about it. An overriding goal has been that this has got to remain affordable, and we are making it so. More information to come as we wrap up our production. I look forward to bringing this offer to you and giving you the tools to elevate your platform.